Let's move to health news now with a look at how climate change may be impacting the mental health of kids and the heavy toll COVID continues to take on seniors.
But first, the American Red Cross says the U.S. blood supply continues to be critically low. Dr. Frank McGeorge joins us tonight with a new push to help solve this shortage, and it is an issue.
It's definitely an issue, Karen and Devin. In fact, the Red Cross is now asking high schools and colleges to bring back their blood drives to help fill the gap in donations. Here's the thing. Before COVID, about 25% of Red Cross blood donations came from school-based blood drives. After the pandemic, that number dropped to only 10%. Now, while some schools have resumed hosting blood drives, many others haven't. High school and college blood drives, they're also important, actually, because they introduce young people to the opportunity to donate blood, potentially creating lifelong donors. So a new CDC report finds older adults are still being hit hardest by COVID infections. In fact, the latest data shows adults age 65 and up account for about 63% of all COVID-19 hospitalizations, and older adults also made up 88% of in-hospital deaths from the virus. Now, nearly all of them had at least one underlying medical condition, but some of these serious illnesses could be preventable. The report also found around 3/4 of the senior patients were not up to date on their COVID vaccinations. Now, remember, there is a new COVID booster available this fall to everyone aged 6 months and up. Now, finally, a new report suggests climate change is having a negative impact on the mental health of young people. The report is from an environmental advocacy group called Eco America and the American Psychiatric Association. It says events like extreme heat, poor air quality, and natural disasters can make young people worry about the future. It may also trigger issues like anxiety, depression, and aggression. The researchers actually say disasters can be harder on young people if they have yet to develop coping skills. And for parents, it's important to remember that these events can actually weigh on children, even if they aren't in their immediate backyard.
And throw in world events like Israel and Ukraine. I mean, on and on right now.
It's a constant deluge of things that can cause anxiety.
Especially when they're young, because it just doesn't make sense to them, any of this.
Right.
So.
No framing.
Thanks, Doc.
It doesn't all make sense to me either
No,
at the
it doesn't.
moment.
It really doesn't.
All right, Doc.